Question was the ratio of sum of m and n terms of an AP is m square ratio n square. The ratio of sum of m and n terms of AP is m square ratio n square. Then show that the ratio of its mth term and nth term is 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Sum of m terms by sum of n terms given as m square by n square. This was the question we have started. Sum of m terms by sum of n terms is coming m square by n square. We have to show that mth term ratio nth term of the same AP is 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. So how to start it? That we will be doing by SM formula, sum of m terms formula, and then sum of n terms formula. So here we can write this easily. Sum of m terms is known to us, that is m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d. And here it will come out to be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is given as m square by n square. This 2 and 2 get cancelled out. 1m also cancel out, 1n also cancel out. Then I have n is 2a plus m minus 1 into d. This is equal to m times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now when you solve it, it will come 2an plus n times m minus 1 into d is equal to 2am plus m times n minus 1 into d. Now when I solve it further, a terms will take together, so it will come 2an minus 2am and plus d will be common here, so left is mn minus of n minus ये इधर आएगा mn minus of n. That is coming 0. When you solve it, it will come 2a times n minus m. Here mn and mn cancel out. Here it will come m minus n into d is coming 0. And then m minus n minus will take common to a m minus n plus m minus n into d is coming 0. Then I'll write down m minus n common, left is minus 2a plus d is 0.
Minus 2a plus d.
और ये क्या बन गया आपका m is equal to n not possible, so we will say 2a comes out to be d. As you got 2a is equal to d, now they are asking the question, find out ratio of mth term to the nth term. So I can write this as a plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of d, I write 2a. So a plus 2a m minus 1. This is also a plus 2a then n minus 1. Then a will be common in all, left is 1 plus 2m minus 2, and here it is again 1 plus 2n minus 2. A get cancel out, this is left 2m minus 1, this is left 2n minus 1. Hence proved.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes.
That this AM upon AN, we can write it as, it can be written as 2A plus M minus 1 into D upon 2A dash, सर उसकी जो भी अलग होगी plus N minus 1 into D. तो सर मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर M की जगह अगर अपन
Why?
सर सेम AP क्या है?
Same AP है. This is same AP. So you can't say it is A and it is A dash. It remain A.
तो
When
सर
we are-
जैसे A लिख रखा मैंने यहाँ पर, यहाँ पर फिर जब minus 1 into D upon 2A plus N minus 1 into D. तो सर मैं ऐसा भी तो कर सकता हूँ कि M की जगह पर मैं 2M minus 1 लिख दूँ और N की जगह पर 2N minus 1.
कैसे लिख सकते हो? M की जगह 2M minus 1 कैसे लिख सकते हो भाई? सेम
क्योंकि सर
वेरिएबल.
अगर उनका रेशियो कांस्टेंट है
किसका रेशियो
तो सर
कांस्टेंट?
सेम वेरिएबल है. जैसे SM upon SN का सर एक बार आप लिख के देखो सर, जैसे 2A plus M minus 1 into D.
But where is M and N gone? This will be M by 2.
No
this
sir,
will-
I am just,
ये है ना आपकी फॉर्म.
yes sir.
This 2 get cancel out, M cancel out, N cancel out. Now I got it M by 2 is M by N, sorry. This has come out to be 2A plus M minus 1 into D by 2A plus N minus 1 into D. हाँ आप क्या कह रहे हैं बोलो.
अब सर रेशियो तो इस mn, so n की जगह अगर मैं m minus 1 लिखूंगा और n की जगह n minus 1 लिखूंगा तो m minus 1 सॉरी 2m minus 1 तो वो हो जाएगा 2m
कैसे
minus 1
लिखोगे
upon
आप?
2m
M को M
minus 1.
minus 1 कैसे लिख सकते हो?
अच्छा, it is, sir, it is representing a term now only, mth term and nth term. तो
हाँ,
उस
तो-
पर हम लिख नहीं सकते हो
ना. और ये 2A का क्या होगा?
सर. फिर वो 2 कॉमन आ जाता, वो a plus m minus 1 into d बच जाता केवल, और नीचे भी a plus.
नहीं, but how you can write M as you are
Prove हो
writing
गया था
M
मैं
as
prove.
2M minus 1 by 2. ये लिख रहे हो आप? How these two can be equal?
2m minus 1.
हाँ? How
सर
you can-
रिप्लेस m,
how
सर
you
ये
can
भी तो एक टर्म थी, तो ये 2m minus 1.
रिप्लेस कैसे करोगे आप? ये बताओ. M और N की कोई वैल्यू दे सकते हो, पर वैल्यू M की टर्म्स में ही कैसे दे सकते हो? वो जो आप क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो वो इक्वेशन अभी हमारा आगे आएगा. इन दैट वी हैव 2 APs. 2 AP है, वो काम आएगा यहाँ पे. इस क्वेश्चन में नहीं आएगा. So you can't replace it. ये रिप्लेसमेंट मत करो.
Okay, sir.
You are replacing. You should not do that. Next question, please. The interior angles of a polygon. The interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degree. The smallest angle of the polygon, interior angle of the polygon is 120 degree. Common difference is 5 degree. Common difference is 5 degree. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Find the number of sides of the polygon.
Common difference is 5.
Yes, common difference is 5. Smallest angle is 120 degree. And the interior angles are in AP. My question is, find out how many sides are there in the polygon. So A is 120, D is 5. Let there be n side in the polygon, then I should have Sn formula is n by 2a. N by 2 into 2a. A will be what? 120 plus n minus 1, d will be 5. And then sum of interior angles of a polygon. What formula we have? इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? What is the value of sum of interior angles of a polygon? बोलो भाई. Sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. You should remember this. Sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. So I'll put this value here. Then this 2 will go this side. I got it n minus 2 into 360. Comes out to be n times. This will come 240 plus 5n minus 5. Now I'll solve it. 360n minus 720. This will be 240 minus 5, so that will be 235. And then 5n squared. So here what I get here, 5n square is here. 235n minus. Minus 360n plus of 720 comes out to be 0. Clear? When you solve it, what it will come? 5n square plus कितना बचेगा भाई? 125 n minus आएगा?
Yes.
Plus of 720 coming 0. Then I take 5 common here. When you take 5 common, it will be n square minus 25n plus. बोलो भाई.
120.
120 or 144.
हाँ sir.
144. 5 have no meaning now. We have n square minus 25n plus 144. So middle term splitting, n square minus 16n minus 9
minus 9n
plus 144 is coming 0. Then I'll take common n minus 16 minus 9 common, n minus 16 is coming 0. So n will be 9 or 16. Now, which answer to be accepted, which answer should not be accepted, that also we should keep in mind. Now, here in this case, whatever formula of sum of interior angles which you have taken, that is for convex polygon. There are actually two types of polygons we have. One is convex polygon, another is concave polygon. In concave polygon, sum of interior formula is not here, but convex polygon, there is a sum of interior and formula is there. This type of polygon which you have is called convex polygon, where all the interior angles which you have should be less than 180. Whatever angle you have in this case, they all are less than 180. Whenever it's a convex polygon, all the interior angles are less than 180. But when you have a concave polygon like this, then the interior angle can be more than 180. And if it is there, we will say it cannot be. The formula of interior angle as 2n minus 4 into 90 or n minus 2 into 180. That formula is sum of interior angle. So that sum of interior angle cannot be valid for this. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, अब हमें ये चेक करना है कि which polygon is convex or not. अगर दोनों polygon convex हैं, it's okay. Answer will be accepted. Both the answers will be accepted. But if it is any interior angle is coming more than 180, we should not accept that, and we'll say it is a concave polygon. So that we should reject, and we should take the convex one. So here for that we should check now what is the biggest angle. Biggest angle in this case will be 9th angle here, or here it is 16th angle, which is coming more than 180. We should find out. If it is not, then both the answer, otherwise we will reject one of them. Just check here. When you go for 9th term, it will come a plus n minus 1 into d. What was a? 120. Then it will be 8 into d. D was 5.
Yes.
So 120 plus 40.
160.
160 is the interior angle. That means yes, it is a convex polygon. The biggest angle of the polygon is 160. So that means it is a convex polygon. We will say yes, n can be 9. But when you take 16 one case,
200.
A16 will be n is A is 120, then 16 will be 15 into 5.
70.
Is it 195?
So 195,
195 means the angle
not
is
possible.
not the interior angle. This is interior angle is coming more than 180, means the polygon which you are taking is a concave one. So we are not going to take that. We will say answer will be 9 in this case. Next question right now, please. The ratio of sum of n terms of two APs. The ratio of sum of n terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 ratio 4n plus 27. Then find the ratio of their eighth term. Find the ratio of their eighth term. Two APs are here. The sum of n terms of these two APs, that is, one is Sn I'll put, another is Sn dash I'll put. That sum of n terms is in this ratio, 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. This is given in the question. Sum of n terms, Sn, Sn dash, one AP, another AP. Some ratio of two APs, sum of n terms of ratio of two APs, that is given in the question. My question is find out the ratio of their eighth term. So eighth term of the first series and eighth term for the second series. So A8 by A8 dash we want. As we have two APs means their common difference will be different and first term will be different. But the number of terms in both the results are same, or both the APs are same. So what I should write here? I should write this as n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, it is given in the question. Number of terms are n in both. Here I got it n by 2.
2a dash.
This I'll write 2a dash. A dash is the first term of the second series. Plus n minus 1, and this is coming d dash. This is come out to be 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. This n by 2 got cancel out. Now I want the eighth term ratio, means I need a plus 7d by a plus a dash plus 7d dash. ये चाहिए हमको? We want a plus 7d by a plus 7d dash. I want this ratio has to be calculated. So what I do here in this case, first I want a. A means first you divide 2 in the numerator and denominator. यहाँ भी 2 से divide करो, यहाँ से 2 से divide करो. तो अगर divide करेंगे तो ये आएगा a. This is come out to be n minus 1 by 2d. Here we got it a dash. Plus n minus 1 by 2, this is coming d dash. This is come out to be 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay, now To get the ratio of eighth term, I need this to be 7. This also to be 7. That means we will start, let n minus 1 by 2 come out to be 7. Then you have n will be what? 7 to the 14 plus 1 coming 15. So that means n we should put here 15. So now when you solve it, what it will come? A plus 15 minus 1, that is 14. 14 by 2, it is 7. So it will be 7d. Divided by a dash plus.
70.
Again, this is 7d dash. What will be n here? We will be putting 15. 7 into 15 plus 1. 4 into 15 plus 27.
106.
15 sevens are
10.
105 plus 1. So 106. This will be 60.
60 plus 87.
87. So ratio come out to be 106 by 87. So here you can take this form which you were saying earlier, that we will take this value as 7. So we will decide what is n to be placed, and that n will be placed everywhere. In that case, it was m and n. So one value was not there, two values was there. One more question, try please. The sum of n terms of two APs. The sum of n terms of two APs are in the ratio 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15. Then question is, find the ratio of their 12th term. Find the ratio of their 12th term. Please do it. Ratio of their 12th term I want. That means A12 by A12 dash we want. So again we go by the same procedure. It will be n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d whole divided by n by 2 to a dash plus n minus 1 d dash. That is come out to be 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15. This n by 2 gone. 2 will divide in the numerator and denominator, so it will come to a plus n minus 1 by 2d. Here I got it a dash plus n minus 1 by 2d dash. That is come out to be 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15.
There is the answer 7 by 16.
Answer is 7 by
16.
yes, 16. Now in this case, what you want here, you want the 12th term ratio, means it should be 11. So I should say n minus 1 by 2 comes out to be 11. So that means n will be 23 to be placed. Now when you place n as 23, what I get here? 23 minus 1, 22 by 2, that is 11d. Here I got it a dash plus 11d dash. And this is what? 3 into 23 plus 8 by 7 into 23 plus 15.
69 plus 8,
What is the result?
69 plus 8, 77.
This is 77 in the numerator. Okay. Denominator?
176.
176. By how much will you cancel out?
11.
11 will cancel out. So 11 sevens are. Here it is 11.
16.
7 by 16 is the answer. Next question, please. If S1, S2, S3 till SM, S1, S2, S3 till SM are the sum of MAPs. Sum of MAPs, each with n term. Each with n terms, whose first term are 1, 2, 3 till m.
First.
First terms are 1, 2, 3 till n. M, sorry. And their common ratio, or common difference, sorry, and their common difference are 1, 3, 5 till 2m minus 1. My question is, prove that S1 plus S2 plus S3 till Sm is equal to Mn into Mn plus 1 by 2. This we have to prove. What question says there are MAPs. एक नहीं है, MAPs are there. Each AP has how many terms? Number of terms in each AP will be n. First AP will have n terms, second AP will have n terms, third AP will have n terms, fourth AP will have n terms, mth AP will also have n terms. And their first terms are 1, 2, 3 till n. First term of first AP is 1, second AP first term is 2, third AP the first term is 3, mth AP the first term is n. Same way when we go for common difference. Common difference in first case is 1, common difference in second case is 3, third case it will be 5, mth AP the common difference is 2m minus 1. My question is, prove that sum of all S1 plus S2 plus S3 till Sm will be Mn into Mn plus 1 by 2. This is the question we have. So what we do in this case? First we find out what is S1, what is S2, what is S3, and then solve it. Can you tell what is S1? How many terms? N terms. N by 2.
Into 2 plus n plus n
2 into 1 plus n minus 1, d will be also 1. Same way I go for S2.
n by 2, 4.
What it will come? N by 2, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, here aa jayega 3. Then I go for S3. It will be n by 2, 2 into 3, n minus 1 into how much? 5. This way it will continue. Last will be Sm. It also have how many terms? N terms. And here it will come out to be 2 into
n.
m is the first term. And then n minus 1 into d will be 2m minus 1.
So the whole term is n by 2. Common as that.
Okay, and now they are asking you find out the sum of all. So I just go for sum of all these APs. So just check here, we'll write S1 plus S2 till Sm. What this will come? First will be n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. Second one will come n by 2, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. That comes out to be n by 2, 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. So on it will continue, and last will be what? N by 2, 2 into m plus n minus 1 into 2m minus 1. So we are adding them all. Then in this case, every term will be giving n by 2 common, so I will take that. Then left is this, plus this, plus this, plus this. And now I'll collect these terms together. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into n. And every term will be giving 2 common, so I'll say it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n. Then in the second term, n minus 1 into 3, n minus 1 into 5, n minus 1 into 2, n minus 1. So every term give n minus 1 common. Left is 1, 3, 5. Till how much?
2m minus
2m minus 1. Okay. Now, is it an AP?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it an AP?
M by 2.
How many terms are there in this AP?
M terms.
There are m terms. कितनी AP थी? M AP थी तो m terms होंगी. So we will say there are m terms. Each will be, and this is forming an AP. So formula says m by 2. A plus L we can write 1 plus m. Then in the second part, n minus 1 is here. Is it again an AP?
Yes.
Yes. How many terms are there in this AP? Yes, please. How many terms are there in this AP? Tell please. How many terms are there in this AP? Whatever the number of terms you have. Huh?
ये वाला स्टेप वापस समझा दो प्लीज.
What we have done here, n by 2 is common in all, then 2 we have taken, first term is 2 into 1, then second is 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. These are the first term of the S1, S2, S3. So I have taken 2 common, left is 1, 2, 3 till m. Then we have taken n minus 1 common in the second terms, and then you got 1, 3, 5 till 2m minus 1. This is clearly an AP. कितनी terms की AP है? M terms की. So the formula says 2 as it is, m by 2, a plus L. So I have taken 1 plus m.
M.
Now my question is, how many terms are there in this series? Yes.
Terms only.
Terms number will remain same as m. ये नहीं कि ये 2m minus 1 है तो 2m minus 1 terms हो गई, नहीं, जितनी फर्स्ट टर्म होंगी उतनी तो कॉमन डिफरेंस होंगी. ये तो लास्ट टर्म को शो कर रहा है. डोंट से दैट देयर आर m and 2m minus 1 terms. इसका मतलब टर्म्स आपकी m ही रहेंगी, तो इट विल से m by 2. यहाँ हम लोग गलती करते हैं, ये चीज दिखाई देती है तो हम यहाँ 2m minus 1 by 2 लिख के आ जाएंगे, फिर कहेंगे सर आंसर क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया. So m by 2, a plus L, so 1 plus 2m minus 1. Now only the thing is we have to solve it. 2 get cancel out here. This 1 cancel out, then this 2 and 2 cancel out, this 2 and 2 cancel out. Then what it will come? M plus m square. Then plus of n minus 1 into m square.
M square, yes.
Then we will have n by 2, m plus m square plus m square n minus of m square. M square and m square clearly get cancelled out. Then left is n by 2. What is common in the 2? M is common. When you take m common, what is left? 1 plus mn.